and we are here with our first ever episode of Think Before You Speak, where people actually don't think before they speak. और आज हमारे साथ है रोडीज डबल क्रॉस की वो कंटेस्टेंट जिसने अपने रोडीज ऑडिशन में अपनी स्केटिंग और अपने मुस्कान से सबको कर दिया है इम्प्रेस। और ये वो शख्स है जो जमीन पे ही नहीं पर स्केट्स पे भी डांस कर सकती है। सो बहनों और उनके भाइयों, प्लीज वेलकम द स्केटर गर्ल याशवी शाह।
हाय
एंड गाइस लेट मी टेल यू, हमारा इतना टाइम लगा है कि आज करते हैं, कल करते हैं, नेक्स्ट वीक करते हैं, टाइम मिल ही नहीं रहा था। फाइनली टुडे वी आर हियर
finally
and I'm super happy. How you are feeling?
I am very excited. It is my first podcast ever, so doing the debut with
And this is
Ashika.
my first podcast also. Like
Wow.
you are the first member.
Yes,
So yeah,
I think
we
it's
both
good.
are nervous.
Nervous, very excited. गलती हो जाए माफ कर लेना.
So yeah, tell me about yourself. Like what you do.
So right, I left skating. I am an international skater. I've represented India 5-6 times in skating. I left skating last year to pursue styling, fashion styling, because again, if you're not in those A-grade sports
I
in
know.
India, you don't earn. So of course, I wanted to earn, build a life. तो skating छोड़ दी, अब styling करती हूँ. रोडीज आ गया बीच में, तो रोडीज कर लिया.
So like क्या सोचा? Like why you wanted to do roadies? मतलब इतना अच्छा चल ही रहा था. Then why roadies?
नहीं चल रहा था ना. नहीं चल रहा था इतना अच्छा. So I was styling someone from Roadies.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I know the name?
Sachin.
Oh.
So he was like, Yashvi, I see your that roadie material. Like I know you'll do great. And I was like, नहीं ये सिर्फ मुझे हवा में उड़ा रहा है, कुछ ऐसा है नहीं. So he was very sure. He's like, do it. And then a lot of conversations, parents को convince करने के बाद, I was like, ठीक है, try कर लेते, क्या होगा, नहीं select होंगे.
So parents ने ऐसा support किया था या what was
So
their reaction?
I don't come from a family जहाँ entertainment industry को you support that much. I'm a typical Gujju girl, so my parents are also like, no, probably some business या कुछ कर लो, पर entertainment industry is not for us. It took a little convincing. I showed them कि नहीं, styling में ही मैं करूँगी आगे जाके, but now I don't know. So yeah, like after a lot of convincing, Sachin also came home. He spoke to my parents. They were like, no, let her go. So yeah, then that happened and I was on roadies.
So like अभी कैसे लाइफ चल रहा है? What is like after the roadies? Like लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि रोडीज के बाद ना लाइफ बहुत शॉर्ट है, बहुत इजी है, कुछ नहीं, अभी क्या है, काम तो आ ही जाएगा, पैसे तो आ ही जाएंगे. So like what is your point of view in this?
रोडी से पहले easy था, I feel, because there is no expectation, I feel. जो भी expectation है वो थोड़ी बहुत तुम खुद से रखते हो या तुम्हारे parents रखते हैं. अब when you're on a national platform, there is so much more expectation. Like, okay, you have to shoot more, you have to post more content. There's that constant pressure कि vlog डालो, reel डालो, ये डालो, वो डालो, ताकि you get work. ऐसा थोड़ी है कि कुछ भी डाले बगैर ऐसे ही काम आ जाएगा. And followers is not equal to work, is what I personally believe, and I have seen it. So even if you have less followers, but it's about the content, you're getting out, you're fitting the brand profile. So I think now it's more difficult. Guys, if you want to do roadies, it's not all rosy bed. Please, वो गलतफहमी हटा दो.
So like have you tried before? इसके पहले कोई भी reality show या something?
Never. It's my first time.
And then first time you got selected.
Yes.
Wow. मतलब let me tell you, यहाँ पर लोग 10-15 साल से कर रहे हैं.
Yeah,
Still
yeah.
they are not getting chance. But there are some people जो एक ही बार करके आ जाते हैं. So yeah.
I think a lot has to do with आप फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने जो आपका पूरा मलकम का वो था, आपने PI में भी जो करा था, it was beautiful. That is the X factor. मैंने अपने skates पे कर लिया PI में.
Actually I was thinking कि भाई मैं तो चला भी नहीं जाता मुझे skate से. चला मतलब मैं I have tried one time in my life skate and मैं इतने बार गिरी हूँ, वो 1 मिनट में मैं 10 बार गिरी हूँ. I'm like I'm never doing it. And then I saw you were like fantastic.
Thank
मतलब
you.
how can anyone dance
और वो भी ऐसा मतलब ऐसा लग भी नहीं रहा था कि यू आर वेयरिंग अ स्केट
Yeah,
सो आई
yeah.
नो इट इज लाइक लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस
Yeah.
कितने साल का है practice?
24 years now. Yeah.
Wow.
I've been skating since.
Wow. So like
20
since you
Since
were
I was
like
2-3 years old, I've been skating. Yeah.
भाई 2-3 साल की थी तब तो मैं क्या करती थी चॉकलेट खाती थी मैं
यार नहीं, मैं बहुत वीक चाइल्ड थी, मैं गिर जाती थी ऐसे ही चलते चलते गिर जाती
हाँ तो
थी.
स्केट पहन के चलोगे तो गिरोगे 2-3 साल में
No, so my mom is like थोड़ी एक्टिविटी कर लेते, you know, let's get you into something.
सो लाइक योर पेरेंट्स आर सपोर्टिंग यू फॉर द मतलब सपोर्ट कर रहे थे जब you
Yeah,
were doing
yeah,
skate?
skating for sure. It's only because of my parents कि you know मैं जा पाई और कर पाई,
Nice.
but not in entertainment.
तो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग तो रोडीज डबल क्रॉस में आप आए हो
Yeah.
सो क्या रियल लाइफ में किसी ने आपको डबल क्रॉस किया है या आपने किसी को डबल क्रॉस किया है
Of course मैंने नहीं किया है, but you know काफ़ी टाइम ऐसा होता है कि so life in terms of family and like when you have your boyfriends or your partners or something, मेरे को तो दोनों साइड से मिला है when it comes to
Oh.
my family as well as extended family,
Okay.
not my parents and my sibling, and even in terms of like exes and everything, of course, but I think you grow na, like abhi I'm at a stage where I'm like I am who I am because of that, you know. अगर वो चीज़ नहीं होती तो शायद मैं रोडीज पे नहीं होती, शायद मेरे में वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता अपने आप को, you know, वहाँ पोर्ट्रे करने का.
True.
सो हाँ मिला है.
और कभी ऐसा हुआ है लाइक द पीपल लाइक मेरे साथ तो ऐसा हुआ है लाइक द पीपल हु आर नॉट टॉक लाइक वी वर नॉट इन अ टॉकिंग टर्म्स पहले और आफ्टर द रोडीज दे आर कमिंग टू मी
Yes.
ऐसा हुआ है लाइक
Oh
इतने आफ्टर द
God.
रोडीज दे आर सो स्वीट एंड यार भूल जाते हैं वो सब बात
उनका पूरा ऑरा ही चेंज हो गया है कि
एग्जैक्टली
Yashvi, what are you doing? Where are you? Let's catch up. And I'm like, toxic people, please go. So yeah, like they're all, they want to pull you down now when you're climbing up.
and I feel it's better to like stay away from
Yeah,
that
yeah.
kind of person who is like who don't want you to like grow
Grow. Yeah, yeah. मेरे सिर्फ 2-3 फ्रेंड्स है बस, मैं
हाँ,
ज़्यादा
मुझे भी मेरे
वो काफ़ी है मेरे लिए.
सो लाइक आफ्टर रोडीज अभी कोई आपकी टच में है
Yes, of course. Nishi, Yogesh, Manmeet, Shubhangi. So we're close. We're good friends. Gullu as well.
बट देन ऐसा मतलब लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस स्टिल दे आर
Yeah, they're all in Delhi. I'm here. तो मेरे को हर बार फोमो होता रहता है. हमारे ग्रुप पे वो लोग भेजते रहते हैं और मैं बोलती रहती हूँ मत भेजो भाई, मेरे को ही फोमो हो रहा है. But yeah, बीच में मैं गई थी गुड़गांव. So we met and we chilled a little. But of course it's not possible
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
इतना हो. सबको आना तो बॉम्बे ही है अब.
एंड मैंने आपके पीआई के पहले जो क्लिप्स होते हैं उसमें मैंने देखा था यू हैव टोल्ड दैट मैं दिखती हूँ स्वामी टाइप की बट मैं हूँ एकदम हरामी टाइप की सो व्हाट दैट मीन
As I said, life has been so unfair. Of course, I shouldn't say unfair, but everybody has their ups and downs.
ट्रू
तो you know, I was very innocent, very sweet कि अच्छा आप मुझे कुछ बोलोगे आशिका, हाँ मैं कर लूँगी. मेरे को ना बोलना ही नहीं आता था. Like कुछ भी very sweet कि हाँ चलो साथ में करते हैं, blindly faith, gullible. And after, you know, getting those slaps from life, कि are you stupid? I have become that way. I wouldn't, that's a dialogue so I said there, but I wouldn't call myself harami. I would just call myself a person with a wall now. I don't let anybody disrupt my peace. I don't let anybody enter because of everything that has happened with me in terms of my family and my ex as well. So yeah, that is the entire thing. So not harami, but someone who's protecting her peace.
या
I'm very selfish for myself and my family.
that's good
So now I'm become like that. ना पहले तो I'd be like हाँ चलो मैं आपका सब काम कर लूँगी, you know. But now I've become like that. So yeah.
एंड एक्चुअली आई फील कि अभी जैसे लोग हैं जैसे जनरेशन ग्रो हो रहा है आई थिंक यू शुड से नो लाइक अगर
Yeah.
नहीं कुछ चीज़ नहीं पसंद आ रहा है यू शुड से नो
Exactly.
And yeah, you want to go to Neha ma'am's and
Princess,
team.
yeah.
But then Dia ma'am chose you.
Yeah.
So like you were happy or you were just ki shit, काश Princess और Neha ma'am.
यार मेरे को एक्चुअली ना सिर्फ रोडीज में आना था.
हाँ.
ऑफ कोर्स दोज नेम्स आर सच कि जो पहले भी सुना हुआ था, सो यू नो यू वांट दैट यू हैव दैट फेमिलियरिटी कि अच्छा ये लोग ऐसे खेलते हैं तो मजा आएगा इनके साथ. बिकॉज I have seen Neha ma'am, I've seen Prince sir for all those years. But अब अगर मेरे को पूछो तो I feel Riya ma'am was great. I feel उनके और मेरी personality बहुत ज़्यादा मैच होती है. Like जैसे वो सोचते हैं जैसे मैं भी सोचती हूँ. I think if I would be in her place, I'd do the exact same things that you know she did. So I was very happy throughout the journey के I was with her. तो yeah, I was happy कि हाँ रोडीज में आ गए बस, चाहे वो रिया ना हो.
ऐसा कुछ सोच रहे थे कि चलो बीच में एवरीवन नोज की गैंग चेंज होते हैं, तो तभी कुछ ऐसा सोचा था कि चलो अभी तो रिया मैम के टीम में हूँ, बट देन जब भी मुझे मौका मिला तो आई वुड चेंज.
I would change and go to Elvish's gang.
Elvish?
Yeah, not Prince sir or
Why?
Because I just loved how he was, you know, playing. Like, उनका पूरा एक carefree attitude. Like, he was there to do masti. Like, and I was also on the show to do masti.
Yeah.
Like, पहले 2-3 दिन तो ऐसा था कि अच्छा सब प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग कर रहे हैं और मैं मजे में जा रही हूँ, सबसे बात कर रही हूँ कि हाँ हाउ आर यू, हाउ इज दैट. तो यू नो आफ्टर अ फ्यू डेज आई रियलाइज कि नहीं आश्वी, यू ऑल्सो नीड टू स्टार्ट विथ योर प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग. ये लोग तो सारे अभी से ही शुरू है, तो मैं भी वहाँ मस्ती करने के लिए आई थी. सो आई थिंक विच इज़ वाई दैट वुड हैव मैच्ड, यू नो कि हाँ कैफरी एटीट्यूड पर करो परफॉर्म, safeguard yourself, but मस्ती में रहो. Don't you know panic and don't, because it's just a show ना.
True.
At the end of the day, it does not define me. It does not define my life. It is a show which is helping me, but I feel life is way more than you know just those few days when you're in the roadies camp. So yeah, Elvish.
I was not expecting this. I thought he.
I was also not expecting this because I didn't know him na.
हाँ.
I know, of course, Riya, everybody knew because of last year, how she played, and she was phenomenal. Prince and Neha, of course, everybody knows. Elvish was the only new person.
True.
और मुझे तो वो पहले पता ही नहीं था कि वो है कौन. After coming in roadies, I got to know. तो मैं खुद भी expecting कर रही थी, but life is unexpected. So,
how was your feeling जब भी PI देने जा रहे थे?
Yeah.
How was your feeling? And after the PI was done,
I was shit scared.
scared.
Scared, because
Before the PI.
Before the PI. क्योंकि ऐसा था कि अच्छा जो भी 1 घंटा या कुछ भी जो मिलता है, of course I don't know if everybody knows, लोग समझते हैं कि PI उतना ही होता है,
हाँ.
पर हम घंटे होते हैं वहाँ पे और कट के वो उतना बनता है जो 10 मिनट या 15 मिनट जो भी दिखाया है. तो I was just scared कि मेरे को सब करना है, मैं कुछ छूट ना जाए, you know, कि ये भी दिखाना है वो भी दिखाना है. Of course, I'm a very confident person, so that is not an issue. But I was just scared कि I want to show everything, you know. And यार मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ, तो गलती से कुछ ऐसा ना बोल दूँ जो मेरे पेरेंट्स बोले कि याश्वी, what did you do? So yeah.
तो जब पृथ्वी, if I'm not wrong,
पृथ्वी, yeah.
जब वो आपके साथ थे, तो of course एक लड़का एक लड़की होती है, and he was like strong. तो
Yeah.
ऐसा लग रहा था कि यार उसका सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा या
For
else like
sure.
yeah
Yeah, I was scared. Because वो muscle ups मार रहा था बंदा, यार मेरे से pull up भी नहीं होता. Because my sport is all about my leg strength. It has nothing to do with my arm. I feel like a dinosaur, you know. 2 बड़े बड़े पाँव और हाथ में कुछ भी वो नहीं. तो I was very scared. And कहीं ना कहीं रोडीज में जितना भी देखा है, आप पुल अप्स कर लो, मसल अप कर लो, पुश अप्स कर लो, लोग वो ज़्यादा देखते हैं. गैंग लीडर्स वो ज़्यादा देखते हैं एज कम्पेयर टू यू नो you're doing a single leg squat or whatever. So of course I was scared when you know he was with me, but I knew that skates will give me that little X factor, क्योंकि body तो हर कोई बना सकता है यार.
True.
So that which is why then I was feeling a little okay.
And like जो audience है, they think that the PI, the GD,
Yeah.
all are scripted. What's your point of view? Do you feel कि कहाँ तो partiality हो रहा है, या जो ज़्यादा famous लोग, क्योंकि ये टाइम ऐसा हो रहा था ना कि ज़्यादा लोग ये बोल रहे थे तो famous लोगों को ही ला रहे हैं.
Guys मेरे 3000 followers थे
Exactly,
Instagram पे.
people don't know that कि PI के पहले हमारे followers बहुत कम होते हैं.
बहुत कम.
They check us when we are like little famous.
Yeah.
तो तब हमारे रहते हैं 20-25K 30, तो
Yeah.
they think कि बस famous
ऑलरेडी
लोगों को-
फेमस है। नहीं गाइस, मेरे 3000 फॉलोअर्स थे पीआई से पहले। मैं कुछ नहीं डालती थी इंस्टाग्राम पे। आई एम अ वेरी नॉट सोशल मीडिया पर्सन इफ आई पुट इट दैट वे। अब हो गई हूँ क्योंकि अब इट्स द नीड ऑफ द आवर। बट मेरे सिर्फ 3000 फॉलोअर्स है यार, तो कुछ भी स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है फेमस लोगों को लेता है। हाँ, बट दिस सीजन आई वुड डिसएग्री ऑन दिस थिंग कि सारे वैसे थे। आई थिंक जब आपका सीजन था तो मोस्ट ऑफ यू ऑल वर लाइक दैट।
Not famous.
Not famous.
Not famous.
Not
Yeah,
famous. Like you, Shivit. I think.
lot of people, बहुत कम लोग थे। आई थिंक भूमिका पहले
Yeah.
से, ऋषभ,
सचिन, या बहुत कम लोग
बहुत
थे।
कम, हाँ।
बट ये सीजन में ऐसा था कि बहुत कम लोग हमारे जैसे थे, और सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स या फिर जिन्होंने पहले कोई रियलिटी शो करा हुआ है, मिलियंस में फॉलोअर्स है, तो उनके सामने तो मेरे को ऐसे लग रहा था भाई कब पहुंचेंगे बाहर।
मतलब मेरा तो ऐसा फीलिंग था जब मैं गई थी, तो मेरे भी कुछ ऐसे 2000-2500 ऐसे
Yeah,
followers थे। एंड जब मैंने इनको सबको देखा, लाइक इवन द नॉर्मल पीपल, मतलब जो फेमस नहीं है, बट स्टिल दे वर हैविंग लाइक 10K 15K फॉलोअर्स।
एग्जैक्टली
तो आई वाज फीलिंग कि शिट, मैं इनके सामने क्या करूंगी,
या
बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं उनको ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस
फॉर
है।
श्योर।
सो तो ऐसा कुछ फीलिंग आया?
Yeah.
With you also?
ऑफ कोर्स मेरे को ऐसे लगता है कि दे नो व्हाट इज वर्किंग फॉर देम। फॉर पीपल लाइक अस इट्स अ लॉट अबाउट ट्रायल एंड एरर कि अच्छा ये डाल दिया पर ये तो नहीं चल रहा,
हाँ.
अब कुछ और डाल के देखते हैं शायद चल जाए, तो इट्स अ वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस फॉर अस कि हम अभी भी फिगर आउट कर रहे हैं कि सोशल मीडिया हमारे लिए कैसे काम करेगा, पर वो लोग को तो पता ही है। तो I wouldn't say easy, but it is easier as compared to us when it comes to social media and everything. So yeah, but I was scared, I think, because when you already have a fan following, again, like let's take Elvish's example, he has that army which follows him. So when you already have that kind of support, it's easier because of course it's not easier because if you say something you're put on the spot, but if you're doing something, so there is a whole gang to support you, and we have to build that gang, we have to build that army. So yeah, scared for that.
Okay, so talking about your first task.
Yeah.
So जैसे हम सब ने
Yeah.
देखा कि you quit, like not quit
Yeah.
quit,
I
but
walked
Riya
off.
ma'am, she
Yeah.
told you to walk off. So do you really want to do that, और regret करते हो कि नहीं यार कर देना चाहिए था?
पहले तो मैं ये क्लैरिफाई कर लूँ, उसमें दिखाया गया है कि 2 बार के बाद like there were 2 bouts,
हाँ.
और 2 bout के बाद I gave up. That's not true. So there were 4 to 5 bouts which happened.
Oh.
And I was badly injured. I did not give up after the injury. I was fighting with one hand. मैंने 2 हाथ में वो पकड़ा भी नहीं हुआ था क्योंकि मेरे हाथ से नहीं पकड़ा जा रहा था. So there were 4 to 5 bouts that happened. They have not shown that thing has been cut. And after that, Riya ma'am was like, you know what, you're injured. I can see you're not able to perform also.
Yeah.
And I think you should walk off. So yeah, at that point of time, I think it was the best decision. If given a chance, would I do that same thing again? Yes, I would. क्योंकि वो होता है ना कि द्रोणाचार्य ने तो अंगूठा मांग दिया था, तो गुरु के लिए अंगूठा भी दे दिया था उसने. So I think yeah, गुरु के लिए कुछ भी. I think loyalty with gang over anything.
And I think it was a smart move.
Yeah.
मतलब I know that the what's her name,
Priya.
Priya. Sorry. So Priya, like वो wrestling करती है.
Exactly.
And her body weight, your body weight differ a lot. तो
I'm
वो जो task
47
था,
भाई, and
Exactly.
she is.
so I'm like वो जो task था, that was a like pure like
For
body
her,
weight. हाँ,
for
it was
her.
not also strength based.
It
I'll tell you.
wasn't,
It was
yeah.
like a body, क्योंकि when you have a good body weight, you
Yeah,
can
push.
So I feel कि रिया मैम ने जो किया, it was like
Smart, yeah.
and she is very smart.
She is.
Very smart.
You know, people don't realize I've been getting a lot of hate as well after that episode. Of course, it's a part and parcel. But people ये नहीं समझ रहे कि I also let my immunity go ना. If I wanted my immunity, मैं खेल लेती. प्रिया से तो वो नहीं फूट रहा
नहीं
था.
फूट रहा था, exactly.
Draw हो जाता.
Exactly.
People are missing that point कि पहले भी प्रिया ने ट्राई करा था, उससे नहीं
हुआ
फूटा था. 4 बार मैं गिरी, उसके बाद भी प्रिया से वो नहीं
हो
फूट रहा
रहा
था. पीपल हैव मिस दिस. वो उन्होंने ये पॉइंट मेंशन किया है रोडीज जब एयर हुआ था वो एपिसोड, कि मैंने रिया मैम को बोला कि मैम उससे भी तो नहीं फूट रहा. मैंने वो बोला है, वो चीज आई है. तो पीपल हैव मिस दैट, यू नो, सिलेक्टिव हियरिंग. लोगों को जो नैरेटिव सेट करना होता है वो ही होता है. तो ड्रॉ हो जाता. एंड प्रिंस वुड हैव वन, क्योंकि
actually yeah.
Prince would have won if I would have, you know, done a draw. I also let my minute go. Na, people are not seeing that. People are just like, oh, you walked over. But Roadies is about performing. I think Roadies is about smart move. Roadies is about survival. And then the tasks come. Task, आप खेलो ना खेलो पर आप survive कर जाओ. सरुचि for example, you know, हमारे में जो भी वार्ड्स है सबको ले लो. Not only सरुचि. Valence, Simran, Saruchi and Ashuji. They also have to survive ना. वो लोग as a वार्ड आए, पर ऐसा तो नहीं है कि गैंग लीडर्स उन पे ब्लाइंडली भरोसा करेंगे और बोलेंगे कि नहीं तुम जाओ तुम खेलो हमारे लिए. So yeah, I think it's
I feel it's a smart move.
Yeah.
मुझे भी बहुत fair
like
लगा.
During your season also, Prem, if I'm not mistaken,
Yeah.
he was also, I don't know, it was called Vart only or Vart only ना. So he also survived. He did so well for himself. पर ऐसा तो नहीं था उसने सारे टास्क परफॉर्म करे ना.
True.
So it's about smart play at the end of the day.
And कौन सा ऐसा gang leader लगा who were like very smart?
Yeah.
Like he were playing smart. कौन ऐसा?
Riya ma'am.
Riya ma'am.
Yeah, for sure. I don't think anybody can, you know, beat
Not
her.
even Elvish.
So I think कहीं तो वो डायलॉग था, अगर तुम बिल्ली हो तो मैं शेर हूँ या ऐसा कुछ तो उन्होंने बोला था, if I'm not mistaken.
बिल्ली खुद को शेर.
Yeah, बिल्ली खुद को शेर. Exactly.
Yeah.
So he's very smart. He's very witty. But again, I think he's very carefree. You know, and Riya at the same time, she's like very into it. Like I could see the zeal more in Riya ma'am as compared to Elvish. I'm not saying that Elvish was not you know into it or something, but वो zeal जो मुझे दिख रही थी वो Riya ma'am में ज़्यादा दिख रही थी. Elvish was very like वो fun, मज़े, and that is amazing. I love that about him, which is why, you know, I said that I would love to go in his gang. But yeah, I think Riya.
If I ask you कि हर gang leader को एक word से describe करना है,
Yeah.
तो what will be? Okay?
Yeah.
Start. Let's start with Neha ma'am.
Boss lady, for
Boss
sure, for sure, for sure.
Prince.
Pehlwan.
Riya ma'am.
Riya ma'am, cunning, witty. Yeah, I think.
Elvish.
Rao Saab. I don't know what else to say.
And the OG Ranvijay sir.
He has my heart. I have never in my life seen a person as humble as Ran sir. Every day on set, personally he used to come, you know, to meet every roadie. He knew every roadies.
Oh, we missed it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So yeah, every day before shooting, like before the shot started, सब रोडी को individually he'd come, he'd shake the hand, he'd be like, how you doing? तुम्हारी चोट कैसी है? He remembers, तुम्हें लगा है तो, तुम टास्क में गिरे हो तो. He, यार ये जो सारी ट्रोलिंग हुई थी ना कि he disrespected someone who came, I just think it's a PR stunt because I have lived with that person, you know. At the end of the day, social media portrays a very different image.
True.
And तुम जैसे as a person हो, that is very different. तो Ran sir is a sweetheart. Like, I love him. I love him from the bottom of my heart. So for him, the one word would be the OG. Like, I don't think Roadies is Roadies without Ranvijay Singha.
True.
So yeah.
And also I would tell the audience कि जो actually what we are leaving वो पूरा 24/7 होता है.
Yeah.
जो आपको दिखाते हैं that is like cut करके.
Exactly.
So there are a lot of things जो audience को नहीं
पता.
समझ पाता या नहीं पहुंच पाता and then they judge.
They judge.
So I
Yeah.
feel जो वो hate फैलाते हैं it's very easy कि आप बैठ के कुछ भी बोल
Yeah.
दो. But वो जो person पे जो बीत रही है वो already जो वो go through कर रहा है
Exactly.
I feel कि audience should like understand.
रिस्पेक्ट आई
Yeah,
थिंक रिस्पेक्ट द
yeah.
डिसीजन. जैसे काफी लोग मेरे उस पे कमेंट कर रहे हैं कि यार हक दिया, यू नो वॉकड ओवर दिस दैट, एंड आई वाज लाइक गाइस यू बी इन दैट पोजीशन, यू नो.
Exactly,
और
exactly.
ऐसा नहीं है कि वो 1-2 मिनट चला था,
हाँ.
वो पूरा आधा घंटा चला था. जब मेरे
But
4-5
दिखाया कितना?
एग्जैक्टली
2-3
दिखाया
minutes.
2-3 मिनट्स, वही मैं बोल रही हूँ. तो वो जो आधा घंटा चला था, यू बी इन माई पोजिशन. एक साइड से प्रिंस सर प्रेशर कर रहे हैं कि याशवी
करो
यू प्रॉमिस मी यू विल परफॉर्म. फिर दूसरे साइड से रिया मैम बोल रही है आई एम योर गैंग लीडर, यू लिसन टू मी.
Oh, that was epic. Like Neha ma'am बोल रही है,
Yeah.
Prince sir बोल रहे हैं, and I was like shit. मतलब actually याशवी पे कितना pressure
Exactly, and you can't take a decision like this now because it's going to affect your पूरा journey आगे.
True.
तो you take the time, you be calm, and अगर कोई और भी वो position में होता तो I'm so sure you would have been shit scared because at the end of the day you're also thinking the repercussions on yourself. कि लोग forget outside world,
Yeah.
कि वहाँ के ही लोग क्या कहेंगे.
True, true.
You know, so it's very easy to form judgments and everybody is entitled to their judgment. So I don't care what people are saying. I don't give two fucks. But yeah, like
That should be, yeah.
I don't because I can't please everybody, right? I'm pleasing myself. I'm pleasing my family. काफी है वो अभी मेरे लिए, you know. I don't owe anybody anything.
Yeah.
So yeah, you love me, you hate me, but you can't ignore me. That sort of a situation.
And also वो time पे did you like realize कि अगर आप like if you're walking off तो प्रिंस सर का जो गैंग है of course they gonna target you. They did?
They did, like they told me. I don't know if you saw कि मैंने वो वीडियो में भी बोला था कि you know प्रिंस सर की पूरी गैंग ने बोला, वो आया भी था कि अगर आप नहीं करोगे तो we will target you.
So किया है?
So tables turned. Riya ma'am and Prince sir formed an alliance.
Oh.
So yeah, चाहते हुए भी वो लोग नहीं कर पाए target. And again, as we say, the smart, the witty person, Riya ma'am, उन्होंने जो immunities जो smartly, strategically बांटी, she had 5 immunities, right? She only gave 3 in our gang.
Oh.
एक उन्होंने मनु को दे दी ताकि प्रिंस की गैंग से वो कोई वोट ना आए. एक उन्होंने योगेश को दे दी ताकि एल्विश की गैंग से कोई वोट ना आए. और अगर सारी रिया मैम नेहा मैम सॉरी पूरी नेहा मैम की गैंग से आ भी जाता सो
So it doesn't
आई एम
matter.
सेफ, राइट? डज नॉट मैटर.
Actually, Riya ma'am is like she is very smart.
Yeah.
वो मतलब I don't know. I feel कि of course Prince sir
Yeah.
ने वो जिया है. But at the other point, Riya ma'am is also very smart.
Yeah.
उन्हें पता है कि लोगों को कैसे मैनिपुलेट करना
Yeah.
है, कैसे खेलना है.
करेक्ट. आई थिंक यू नो व्हेन यू आर अ थर्ड पर्सन और आप शो देख रहे हो तो आपका पर्सपेक्टिव बहुत अलग होता है. जैसे ऑडियंस भी कमेंट करती है, हम बोलते हैं रिया मैम आई थिंक हैज़ दैट यू नो 3D विजन बिकॉज शी सीज इट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. आई थिंक इवन दो प्रिंस इज द गैंग लीडर, वो बहुत इमोशनल हो जाते हैं. उनको अभी भी लग रहा है कि वो रोडी ही है, यू नो, वो भी अभी एक गैंग में है, वो भी खेल रहे हैं. सो आई थिंक दैट इज द डिफरेंस. आई थिंक ही इज वेरी अटैच्ड एंड इमोशनल in the entire aspect, whereas Riya ma'am is looking at it from, you know, a 3D perspective, so she knows what to play where.
Actually, I feel that is the only point I choose Prince sir because whenever like Prince कोई भी टास्क आता है, ठीक है?
Yeah.
He knows वो मतलब उन्होंने जिया है
Yeah.
that movement, so he knows कि अच्छा ये ऐसे किया जाता है, ये ऐसे किया जाता है. So he used to come to our gang, like our
Yeah.
tent, and then he is like a true gem. Okay, who is your friend and who is your enemy in Roadies?
Enemy.
Like true friend and the true enemy, जिसको मतलब आप पूरे लाइफ टाइम एक तो फ्रेंड जो हमेशा आप उसके साथ रहोगे and one enemy जिसको आप कभी मिलना नहीं चाहोगे.
I don't think मैं कभी भी रश्मिता या देवांशी को मिलना चाहूँगी.
Why? Devanshi found that I felt that she is a nice person. मतलब देखने से.
Yeah, but जब मैं एलिमिनेट हुई मेरे को सारी जो चीज़ें पता चली जो उसने मेरे बारे में बोल गए, उसने बैक बिच करी है.
Oh.
So I don't think I respect, you know, such people who talk behind my back. And Rashmita because I don't, again, she was, I think वो हर्ष की shadow थी. I wouldn't like to meet Harsh also if you're taking names, then why not? Because very arrogant, like, I can't stand arrogant
Why?
people. Like, उसको जो लगता है कि मैं शेर
शेर हूँ।
हूँ, like, कहाँ का भाई, zoo का? तो, you know, उसके PI में भी before doing a जब the gang leader said that, you know, चलो अपनी physical वो दिखाओ. I don't know if you saw, उसने ये बोला है शेर. He called himself शेर.
नहीं दिखाया.
दिखाया है. मैं वही तो, मैंने उसका PI देखा ही नहीं ना. Like we are not allowed to see others PIs when it's actually happening. तो वो टीवी पे दिखाया है कि उसने बोला है ये शेर. I can't stand arrogant people. Like तुमने ऐसा क्या ही उखाड़ लिया है जिंदगी में कि तुम इतने
So do you
ज़्यादा.
feel that Harsh is like on camera and off camera different?
Very
person?
different. Very
Very
different. Yeah. And again Rashmita, because I feel she's in his shadow. Like जितने भी मतलब अभी तक episodes, like conversation हुए या episodes हुए, उसकी खुद की कोई say ही नहीं है. उसकी खुद की कोई personality ही नहीं है. So again I can't have conversations or meet with such people जो they don't know their own being. Like how can you not know who you are, right? Like you're on that show for yourself. You're not there for Harsh. I don't know if she knew Harsh before the show, but you're not even there for Harsh. So yeah, like I don't think I'd be able to.
And friend, like best friend. We can't say best friend.
Yeah.
हाँ, क्योंकि
10 साल हो गए भाई.
I know. एक महीने में कोई best friend नहीं बनता.
नहीं
but
बन
still,
सकता.
A good friend.
So I don't have one.
Okay.
If like I'm allowed to take.
You can
names.
take 3 names.
So Nishi, Shubhangi, in girls. In guys, I think I am good friends with Manmeet and Yogesh.
Okay. Now, if you want to like rank first priority, second priority. and
Shubhangi
fourth.
is my first priority.
Okay. Second.
I think Shubhangi and Nishi both are my
Nee, you have
first. No, because I'll tell you why. Like Nishi and I are very different as people. But during the show, I think it was that difference which made us connect, you know. Like she's that typical Haryanvi girl and I think I'm a typical Bombay girl. So even though, you know, we really connected and over the show I started liking her. Whereas with Shubhangi, show se pehle I started liking her, you know. She's like that sweet, nice chick. So yeah, I think I would
Okay. ठीक है.
run
First,
both.
second.
Yeah, I don't do third and fourth. I don't care. Like I love you, but I don't.
और कोई ऐसा कनेक्शन जो आफ्टर द रोडीज लाइक निशी को छोड़ के कोई ऐसा बॉन्ड या एनीथिंग जो आफ्टर द रोडीज कनेक्ट हो पाया लाइक इन द शो नहीं हो पाए बट आफ्टर द शो या
नहीं, मैं बात
ऐसा
ही
कोई
नहीं
नहीं?
करती उतना सबसे.
नो वन
इतना टाइम ही नहीं है कि बात करूं मैं सबसे.
एक्चुअली
Because everybody is busy in their lives, you know, post roadies also. And again, like I mentioned, they're all in Delhi. And I'm here. So, oh, I forgot to mention Anushka, by the way. I don't like her. I don't know why did I just say that.
Anushka
She's in my gang.
the model one
She's a model?
I don't know Anushka
I have.
I don't know I
Good.
I think she's a model. I
I have no idea. I think she's an actor, but can be a model as well.
Okay. And any love connection? you
No.
have?
Oh, God.
Because I heard lot.
I have also heard a lot. Welcome to the train. I've also heard a lot, but it's just talks. It's nothing. I don't fall in love that easy. I for sure don't fall in love with guys who are 4-5 years younger to me.
Everyone are young.
Everybody
I know,
was
Everyone is like
younger.
19,
20, yeah. I'm not a pedophile.
But then I
So-
heard like, a lot of people have a crush on you. Had
Yeah?
a crush on you. Yeah.
Good now.
तो ये सच था या?
Yeah, I think there were a lot of people flirting here and there. Of course, off camera, because you know, on camera everybody's like portraying कि हम मुश्तंडे हैं, हम
Yeah,
ये है,
I
वो
know.
है. But of course, a lot was happening off camera. But there's never been a revert or something from my end towards anybody. It's a show now. You can't trust anybody, I feel, on the show. Even if I said that, okay, I was the closest to Shubhangi and Nishi, I can't
trust them
fully
blindly.
on
Yeah,
the show.
yeah.
Like now I can because I know what people they are
True.
outside the show. But on the show, I don't think that was possible, you know. So guys को तो लाइफ में भी ना टच करूँ, शो पे तो बहुत दूर की बात है.
बट कोई तो ऐसा क्रश या कोई तो ऐसा पसंद लगा ही होगा.
There was no crush, but if you want me to tell who I felt was, you know,
like
nice
cute,
and sweet.
nice.
I think Gulu and me had a great,
Gullu.
Gulu and me were great friends, like Yogesh and I as well. So, yeah, I just feel like, you know, the conversations were good, we were talking. But I think Gulu and my wavelength, I think, would match a little better as compared to like Yogesh and I. Because again, that age factor comes in. Gulu and I are almost of the same age. Like, I think it's just 1 year age gap. And Yogesh and I are like 5 years apart. Like, you know, my sibling is Yogesh's age. So,
So if you get a chance to go on a date with one guy from the Roadies,
oh God,
who would he be?
nobody. Can I just
Nobody?
choose nobody? Yeah.
Okay, and a girl like a normal, जिसके साथ chill कर पाओगे. मतलब एक ऐसा इंसान जिसके साथ आप like full एक दिन एक कमरे में रहोगे and you know that you won't get bored. Only one.
Shivangi.
Shubhangi.
There's been an entire segment on Fully Faltu, I think that will come or something, where I think I have told Shubhangi that Shubhangi, if you were a guy, I can fall in love with you, you know, like I love you, like you're my buddy, I love you. So yeah, she's very chill, very must, and I love that. Like I love, you know, happy-go-lucky attitude, because you shouldn't take things that
Yeah.
seriously. So yeah, I think Shubhangi.
What do you think Killing P and Rishabh is having like a little love connection?
Yeah.
So that was for the camera,
Yes.
or it was a real?
Yes, I feel it was for the camera because one day, Ashika, like you've lived the journey, right? So you know कि अच्छा journey start होने से पहले ऐसा तो नहीं कि हम 10-15 दिन
हाँ,
साथ में
हाँ.
थे ना, हम एक दिन थे.
एक दिन.
You can develop a crush, you can develop an attraction, but to be like हाँ मैं शर्मा रही हूँ, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, I think it's too much. Like I can be wrong, but जो दिख रहा था वहाँ पे वो वही दिख रहा था, because like she's someone who can't even you know speak Hindi properly, and Rishabh is someone
full desi.
is desi. I think he's a Gujjar, right, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
So Rishabh is like, he's like क्या कर रही है So, and you know she's just like what
But she's a sweet person, I
she's a sweet person. I'm not, you know, saying anything about how she is or anything, but I feel it was for the show. Because you just can't. But again, on splits also people fall in love that easy. So
And even I felt a little like पहले ही दिन कैसे
it's forced is what I feel. Because
Yeah.
gradually अगर तुम बोल रहे हो कि 10-15 दिन बाद हो रहा है
Then
तो is
maybe,
acceptable.
yeah.
शिवितर उसका कितने टाइम बाद हुआ था?
यार उनका तो बहुत जल्दी हो गया था, but then उनका खत्म भी बहुत जल्दी हो गया था.
अच्छा, इनका भी चल रहा है कि नहीं?
I don't know what was there. I feel कि वो भी एक शो see I feel जब आप है ना like first day ही कैसे हुआ इनको प्यार ऋषभ and Killing Me, I have no idea. But then if you are staying 1 month with the same person, और अगर आप जब भी बहुत डाउन फील करते हो
100%.
तभी किसी एक लड़के ने आपको कंसोल किया तो यू फील लाइक स्पेशल, यू
100%.
वेरी नाइस, जैसे
I
एक माँ
agree.
बाप करते हैं.
I
सो आई
agree.
फील तभी वो पॉइंट होता है the moment you start liking that person.
I agree.
And
But you don't like, right? You just like the consoling.
yeah,
उस सिचुएशन में अगर कोई और आ जाता आपको कंसोल करने के लिए
maybe
तो मे बी आप उसको
Maybe.
पसंद करने
Yeah.
लगते भाई. तो yeah, like I said, there were a lot of guys that spoke to me or that flirted with me or something, but again, you know the barrier na. You know they're fucking around, or you know they're just there for the musty or something. Even if they're not, I'm not someone who can be like, no, you're so good, yeah, I love you. So
तो क्या उनका अभी भी चल रहा है ऋषभ एंड किलिंग?
I don't think so. No, I don't think so. I'm not in touch, but जितना भी सुनने में आता है, of course, you're 32 contestants, so gossip goes like that.
I know.
So I don't think so.
कोई और लव कनेक्शन दिखने में आएगा?
You've got to watch the show for that, don't you?
Guys, watch the show. And अभी जो recent vote out हुआ है, Joel and was
Elimination, Joel and Devanshi.
हाँ. So do you feel कि Joel के साथ थोड़ा unfair हुआ?
Yeah, like I did not like जिस तरीके से Princer said Akash, but then he went like, oh, I just wanted you to feel how it feels, and then roadies means he out of everybody I think should know ki what roadies means for the person who's standing there. Like it is of so much importance, and then to give someone that expectation ki oh my god, no, I'm safe for that little second, and then change that. I think it was absolutely incorrect. So yeah, I think.
But then at the other point, अगर ऐसे देखे जाए तो it was like a booster for Akash. मतलब Princer wanted to like make him feel कि वहाँ खड़े होके कैसे लगता है. So you don't feel कि हाँ ठीक है, मतलब अभी of course Princer अपने gang को लेके चलेंगे, ठीक है.
Yeah.
So एक ही दिन में सबके साथ connection उतना build नहीं
हो सकता.
उनको अपना gang आगे लेना है. So even I feel that Akash is stronger than Joel. So don't you feel कि हाँ ठीक है game के लिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हम रोडीज में आते हैं, हम रिश्ते बनाने नहीं आते.
Not at all.
We are here to play the game.
Correct.
You don't feel कि हाँ मतलब ठीक है सही किया. But at the other point of course एक इंसान के बारे में सोचो तो of course it's
yeah,
bad.
exactly. No, I think as a gang leader, your gang looks up to you. Your gang expects from you, And चलो एक रोडी ने अगर ऐसा खेला हो कि if you're there with me and some other roadies is there, and I'll be like, oh Ashika, I'm not going to vote you out, but then I'm writing Ashika, go home. That's okay, because that's a game.
That's
We're at
game.
the same level and we are playing together. But I think as a gang leader, when someone worships you, because there are so many people who go like, oh my god, no, I want to be in his gang only, And when someone looks up to you so much, and then if you do that, I think it's incorrect. Because Joel was shattered. Like I was there, right? I saw it. He was so shattered. And he's such a nice and kind person. He's like, okay, I don't want to be bad. I don't want to, do what Devanshi did and fuck my gang's entire this thing. But I'm hurt, like, and I think I feel him that of course, like if Riya ma'am would have done that thing, which I don't think she would have, because she does not take a decision until she's 1,000% sure about that. So I would have felt the same way, like I would have been shattered. I would have probably just cried so much and then left. I'd be like, I don't want to be a part of this shitty thing anymore. So yeah.
Who is the person जिन्होंने पूरे journey जो double cross ये word है वो अच्छे से निभाया है?
Hartaj.
Like Hartaj.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I think Hartaj is equal to Dhoka in this season, because see, everybody has different traits. You're there for friendship, you're there for loyalty. I think Hartaj was just there for the show. उसको घंटा नहीं फर्क पड़ता है उसके क्या friends बने क्या बने कुछ नहीं, which is great for the show, like, which is, I don't know him personally, so I can't comment much. But I think Hartaj is someone who knows what it is to, he does not care if he's in the bad books. He does not care if anybody's not talking to him, which is fine, which is great, if you're that person. So Hartaj is this thing who's maintained the theme, I think.
तो I heard कि अभी जो वोट आउट आएगा, ठीक है, वहाँ पर लोगों ने आपको टारगेट किया है.
Yeah.
So you didn't go to them after after the task? Did you go to them and then you told them कि मत करो, but still they did?
I did speak to like 1-2 people. I had a conversation with Harsh also. Again, I have zero ego when it comes to myself.
True.
Correct. So I was like, don't vote me out. Like, are you planning to vote me out? And he goes like, you get me an immunity from Riya and I won't vote you out. I was like, your gang leader has 3 immunities. Why should I tell Riya ma'am to give you the immunity? You tell your gang leader. And he's like, if you give me the immunity, then, I can assure that, you won't get voted out. And I'm like, sorry, that's not happening. Like, because why wouldn't he ask Neha ma'am? Was my entire perspective. And of course मैं गई थी लोगों के पास that don't vote me out or who are you planning to vote out or something. But again मैं मस्ती में ही थी ना अपने, तो मेरे को नहीं वो I did not fully go out and be like कि यार मत करो because I was like ठीक है देखा जाएगा. And again as I said, Prince Sir and Riya ma'am got into an alliance because of which as you'll see that the alliance did benefit me.
True.
To save me, I think. So yeah.
Who is the strongest contestant आपके लिए? Like if you see from your point of view, who is the strongest contestant? Girl, boy, कोई भी. And a
Priya.
weak one also.
Priya, I think.
Priya is the strongest.
Yeah, of course Rishabh, because like if you go to, we can't compare, like let's just do a boy and a
Boy
girl.
and a girl, yeah,
Yeah,
let's do
because you can't compare. But of course strongest is Rishabh, right? He's literally like Hulk. He is literally Hulk. So he is like that. He is the strongest, irrespective of the task, irrespective of strong is different and athletic is different, is what I believe. And I think everybody expected Yogesh and Rohit and everybody to do well. But Gullu, he's the underdog. Like, he only does nonsense. Nobody, like, because he's a funny person, nobody expected him to, like, perform well. But when I think Gullu's task came, he did such a good job. So I think he's like that little underdog, nice performer. And Rishabh, we know only he's like Hulk. And I think in girls, weakest also na. Girls, yeah, strongest Priya.
Okay.
Priya, because of course, and Gunjan also.
Gunjan.
Because she has amazing, techniques and strength and everything. And weakest Devanshi.
Devanshi.
Yeah.
And Guy?
Guy में weak, यार मेरे को टास्क याद करने पड़ेंगे, एक मिनट. Of course, every guy was not strong.
कोई भी random नाम. Like it's up to you. कि मुझे ये weak लगा. It's fine.
Of course, it's fine. I don't care. But मेरे को नाम याद नहीं आ रहे. मैं नाम सोच रही हूँ एक second. I think Yogesh, not Rawat.
The dancer Yogesh.
Yeah.
He's the weakest.
Yeah, na, like he's not performed a lot for me to know. So, yeah.
But यार PI में तो फाड़ दिया था उसने. I have seen.
Yeah.
PI.
मैंने नहीं देखा उसका PI.
बहुत कुछ किया था यार PI में.
मतलब अभी एक टास्क के परफॉर्मेंस पे अगर मैं जज कर रही हूँ तो yeah, Yogesh. Because Akash was stronger than Yogesh.
Akash is strong.
And then Yogesh for sure. So yeah, Yogesh. Only based on the first task. Yeah.
Okay.
Clarifying. Because people are just waiting with guns to attack.
Okay, so we are doing a quick rapid fire. Okay, so we are doing a quick rapid fire.
Okay.
Okay? Time नहीं मिलेगा. फटाफट बोलना पड़ेगा.
Done.
ठीक है? सांप.
Hartaj.
हरताज. बिच्छू.
Which was a scorpion, na?
या जो सिर्फ डंक मारता है.
Devanshi.
देवांशी. गधा.
Mannu. क्योंकि
शेर.
not her. No, nobody is a Sher. Because Sher does not only perform good, he has that personality also. And I don't think मेरे लिए कोई उतना stand out
Maybe
हुआ.
वो भी शेर हो सकते हैं जिन्होंने अकेले like पूरा वोट आउट सर्वाइव किया है हर टास्क मतलब सिर्फ अकेले खुद के लिए मतलब ना कोई गैंग ना
Manmeet.
Manmeet.
Like he did play for his gang or something, but I think if I have to do Sher with somebody, then that would be Manmeet.
गाय.
Simran.
हाथी जैसी शक्ति.
हाथी जैसी
शक्ति.
शक्ति. Rishabh, of
Rishabh.
course.
लोमड़ी. चलाक लोमड़ी.
चलाक. चलाक तो भाई सरुचि.
सरुचि. चूहा जो सिर्फ अपने बिन में बैठा रहता है सिर्फ देखता रहता है. रश्मिता.
रश्मिता.
नेवला.
नेवला is also सांप only, ना?
हाँ बट नेवला सांप पे भी भारी पड़ता है.
Yeah.
लाइक एकदम चलाक जो सांप को भी ना छोड़े वैसा कोई.
हर्ष.
ओके नाउ आई विल टेल कंटेस्टेंट्स नेम. ठीक
Okay.
है और उसको वो कंटेस्टेंट नेम सुन के क्या दिमाग में आता है वो बोलना है, ठीक
Let's
है? विल स्टार्ट विद प्रिंस गैंग.
Okay.
रैंडमली मैं बोल रही हूँ ऐसी. निशी,
हरियाणवी छोरी
अल्फिया.
क्यों ही थी
क्यों ही थी? किलिंग पी.
I don't know, like, I don't know what to call her. She was there. She was there to represent the northeastern tribe, is what I feel like. Yeah.
मन्नू.
Powerlifter.
गुंजन.
बहुत तगड़ी.
तगड़ी.
बहुत.
ओके. जोरावर.
Zoravar is the skipping guy, right? Paji. I think very humble.
हर्ष.
I think we know what I think. Let's go ahead.
किप.
Skip.
मनमीत.
Manmeet, naughty Sardar.
नौची सरदार. जिमी.
जिमी से ज़्यादा अच्छे वन लाइनर्स मेरे को नहीं लगता कोई दे सकता है. या सो आई थिंक द वन लाइनर क्वीन.
रुचिता.
Maharashtrian, I don't know, Maharashtrian Rani, I don't know, something like that. I don't know her much. I don't talk to her, so yeah.
ऋषभ.
अभी अभी इंस्टाग्राम पे वो ट्रेंड हो रहा है ना, साइबर ट्रक उसको बुला रहे हैं.
क्या बोला?
साइबर ट्रक या कुछ उसको बुला रहे
I
हैं.
don't know.
I think I just saw it on Instagram today morning, so that I think पहलवान, like the OG पहलवान.
यार बेटो फर्स्ट टास्क उसने फाड़ दिया था ऋषभ ने. I
Guys.
was like swinging that
It was
so
amazing.
fast.
ये भी नहीं दिखाया है वो लोग ने कि वो टास्क खत्म हुआ उसके बाद सभा बैठी थी जहाँ रिया मैम थे, प्रिंस सर थे, और वो सबको हमें बात कर रही थी, और उन्होंने मेरे को और ऋषभ को बोला कि यू कांट प्ले अगेंस्ट द गैंग. ये सब कुछ तो काट दिया है वो लोग ने.
यार यही नहीं पसंद आता चैनल का जो मेन कंटेंट है.
Exactly what we think that you know will safeguard us, तो वही काट दिया है. सो यार
ओके. रोहित.
वो ना थोड़ा बोलने में वो होता है क्या बोलते हैं, फंबल नहीं, पर वो थोड़ा मेरे को लग रहा है अपने आप में ही बोल देता है. तू सुन, वो बहुत मतलब वो बोलता ही रहता है, मतलब ना हाथ ना पैर, वो बोलता ही रहता है.
याशवी.
मी आई थिंक आई एम लाइक दिस बबली. शो में तो मैं गलेबल भी हो गई थी थोड़े टाइम के लिए, बट या आई थिंक बबली.
ओके. एल्विश गैंग. योगेश.
I think the perfect athletic guy.
गुल्लू.
Gullu is, I think he's the showstopper, if I must say. Like, you know, he's the perfect package of a funny guy, of strong, funny, everything. So yeah, 2-3 words for him.
हरताज.
Double cross.
डबल क्रॉस. देवांशी.
चली गई.
हीना.
I don't know her enough to say anything, to be very honest. But she does yoga, so yogini, I don't know.
Okay, so what you think? कि will you survive this journey, or you think will you win?
So for me, the journey is more important than the win. You know, I know that there are people who are way stronger than me. I know that, you know, I am not the perfect strongest, if you must say, like, because everybody for everybody roadies has everything to do with strength and nothing to do with personality. But I just feel ki as a sports person, I know that you train every day, right, for that one day to perform for that one minute. Like Nate Bean Malcolm, you also know, because you're a sports person, so I think you can relate. So it is the journey when you're training which is important, the discipline, and not the win. So, you know, for me also, I think roadies as a journey is more important than the win. So it's not about winning or losing. If I win, great, you know, I'll be very happy on top of the world. If I don't win, I am not someone who's going to sit and be like, yaar, haar gayi, what next? I know what next, you know, like I know I have to build on myself. So yeah, I think it's the journey which is more special to me. At least that's what matters to me.
Okay, last question. If not you,
Yeah.
आप किसको जीतना देखना पसंद करोगे?
I'd love to see a girl win.
A girl to win.
Yeah,
Any
like
name specific?
Gunjan, Priya, like, you know, I'd love, because I can see कि वो भी भारी पड़ सकते हैं बंदों पे. आई कैन सी दैट दे आर एज स्ट्रॉन्ग. लाइक प्रिया का आप डोले, मेरे 2 थाइज अगर आप मिला दोगे वो प्रिया का एक डोला होगा. इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. सो I'd love for a girl to win, because yeah, like why not. कितने साल से नहीं भी जीती ना कोई लड़की.
I think last was Shweta.
Yeah.
उसके बाद कोई
She's the
नहीं
one
ना?
who did calisthenics, right?
Yeah, calisthenic gym.
Yeah,
she's
yeah,
into,
yeah.
like, full
So उसके बाद
fitness.
कोई भी नहीं
कोई
जीता.
भी
So
नहीं जीता.
I'd love to see a girl win. I'd love to see Riya ma'am win again probably. Or Elvish will for the first time. I don't know.
Okay, so we are done. And yeah, I hope she enjoyed.
I loved it. I hope you enjoyed. I didn't blabber
I
too
loved it. I
much.
loved it.